One thing I must say, like looking at this Dubai skyline, it never fails to amaze me, no matter what position I am in life. I've come to Dubai in so many different stages in my life. Moments where I had 7 figures to my name, moments where I came back to Dubai, lost all of those 7 figures and had a few $1,000s to my name. The amount of ups and downs that I've gone through, it's hard to put into words how it's shaped me. A lot of people always ask me, like, why are you always smiling and why are you always happy? And the truth is that I'm not always happy, I'm not always smiling. I mean, there's moments where I'm really struggling, there's moments where I'm not happy, but the truth is, there's really not much in life that you can control. The only thing that you can really control is how you deal and how you respond to certain things. And the truth is that a big reason for my happiness, a big reason for me being able to get up every day and smile is because I simply choose to. My very black and white point of view on this, after again going through these ups and downs, is that no one else is going to do that for you, just you yourself. You know, even like in this video, I've showed multiple parts where, you know, like I'm struggling, I'm not happy, like things aren't always going as smooth as I want them to be, and that's just the way it is. But the only thing for me to overcome that is by waking up and choosing that I'm going to own these things and that I'm going to be approaching it with a positive mindset. That's really the only thing that I really have when you think about it. And I've suffered a lot from, you know, just dealing with myself and the amount of pressure that I apply to myself, which I still do. Again, like it's not as if, you know, it's easy for me. It's extremely hard for me. It's probably one of the hardest things to wake up every day and just be giving it 110% with a smile on my face. Like it's not easy. But again, it's a choice. So one thing I must say, like looking at this Dubai skyline, it never fails to amaze me, no matter what position I am in life. There's this saying in Dutch, and they refer to a glass of water. And this glass is filled halfway. So the way you can look at this glass is either that the glass is half full or half empty. And as I said, that is really something that with everything I do, with every approach that I take on anything that comes my way, I always try and look at the glass as half full, as in like from a positive point of view. And yeah, as I said, like it's really not been easy. There's so many moments where I lost myself. I lost every little bit of belief I had in myself, but the only way I got out of that is by just being positive, you know, just like trusting that things will fall into place, trusting that I would change things for the better, and I did. So yeah, that's it, and see you guys.